Ethnographic research is a qualitative research method that involves the in-depth study of people and cultures within their natural settings. Originating in anthropology, ethnographic research focuses on understanding the social practices, behaviors, beliefs, and interactions of a specific group or community. The researcher immerses themselves in the everyday lives of participants to gather detailed, rich data through observation, interviews, and sometimes participation in the group's activities. The goal is to gain an insider's perspective of how people experience and interpret their world. Ethnographic research is commonly used in anthropology, sociology, education, and organizational studies, providing deep insights into cultural contexts and social dynamics. The primary purpose of ethnographic research is to explore the culture, behaviors, and experiences of a group of people in their natural environment. Researchers aim to understand how individuals or groups interpret their world and how these interpretations shape their actions. Ethnographers may study communities, social movements, workplaces, or subcultures to uncover the meaning behind their practices and interactions. This method allows researchers to answer questions such as, how do people communicate in a specific culture? What are the norms and values of a community? How do individuals navigate social roles? By focusing on the lived experiences of participants, ethnographic research provides rich, detailed data that other research methods might overlook. Ethnographic research is characterized by its emphasis on naturalistic observation and participant engagement. Ethnographers often spend extended periods of time, sometimes months or even years, observing and interacting with the community or group they are studying. This immersive approach allows researchers to build rapport with participants and gain access to nuanced insights that may not be apparent through more structured methods, like surveys or experiments. Data collection in ethnographic research typically involves a combination of observations, informal conversations, in-depth interviews, field notes, and sometimes video or audio recordings. The researcher's role may range from a passive observer to an active participant in the group's activities, depending on the research design. Ethnographic research is crucial for providing a deep, holistic understanding of social groups and cultural practices. It uncovers the complexities of social life by capturing the context in which behaviors and interactions occur. Ethnographic studies are particularly valuable in exploring marginalized or under-researched groups, offering voices and perspectives that are often overlooked in more quantitative studies. For example, ethnography has been used to explore the lives of indigenous communities, immigrant populations, or employees within organizations. The insights gained can be used to inform policy, improve organizational practices, and enhance social services. Additionally, ethnographic research fosters empathy and understanding by helping researchers and the broader public see the world through the eyes of those they study. Despite its strengths, ethnographic research also has several challenges and limitations. One of the primary difficulties is the time commitment required for data collection, as ethnographers often spend long periods in the field to gather sufficient data. This prolonged immersion can lead to issues of researcher bias, as the ethnographer may become too emotionally involved or lose objectivity in interpreting the community's practices. Additionally, ethical concerns may arise when researching vulnerable or sensitive groups, as ethnographers must navigate issues of consent, confidentiality, and the impact of their presence on the community being studied. Another limitation is that ethnographic research often focuses on small, specific groups, making it difficult to generalize findings to larger populations. Lastly, the subjective nature of the research process, where the researcher's interpretation plays a significant role, can raise concerns about the reliability and validity of the findings. In conclusion, ethnographic research is a valuable qualitative method for understanding the cultural and social dynamics of groups in their natural settings. By immersing themselves in the lives of participants, ethnographers gain a deep understanding of social practices, values, and interactions. This method is particularly useful for exploring marginalized groups and contexts that might not be captured by other research methods. While ethnographic research provides rich, contextual insights, it also faces challenges related to time, researcher bias, ethics, and generalizability. Despite these limitations, ethnographic research continues to be a powerful tool for studying culture, behavior, and social phenomena in their natural context.